guys, welcome to PureWax Car Care Products. I'm Cameron, and in today's segment we're going to talk to you about PureWax Final Touch. Now, as with all PureWax products, it smells phenomenal. It's got a beautiful cherry scent to it. Now what Final Touch is as it is, Final Touch. After you've cut and polished, after you've waxed something, PureWax Final Touch just gives you that beautiful last gloss, a deep shine. It goes on easy, it comes off super easy, and we're going to show you how that works. The other way it's great for is if you take your car to a show and you get to the show and you just want to give it that extra little bit of shine, PureWax Final Touch is brilliant for that as well. Now all we do is we spray a light mist over the surface of the car. We take our dark microfiber towel and we just literally wipe it down. Just like so. And as you can see, you get a beautiful deep gloss level, and at the same time it comes off super easily, and that gives you that beautiful showroom finish. And that there is our PureWax Final Touch. Thanks for checking out PureWax Car Care Products.